like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I have my 3 bags from FabFitFun, 3 mystery bags. These are $19.99 if you subscribe to them a piece. So we'll just open these right up. And you're supposed to have like $100 value, and I believe it's 3 items per bag or something. So anyway, this is the first one. This was the bag number. I know some people like to know, and I usually show the first one and forget the other 2. Okay, this is Algae Vitalizer. Concentrate. Revital. I don't know what the heck. Revitalizant? I don't know. Heck, I don't know. We're going to see though. Oh. It's like ampules. Ampule concentrates. Algae Vitalizer. Okay. There's enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a week, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's one of them things you use it for a week and it's like a... Okay, there's that. I'll add that to my puny little pile from my box. And then I got this. Yeah, this one I just was not too excited about. And then when I, this box, then when I didn't get one of my items, kind of just, and then you get I got this, and it's by Summer and Rose, which is one of their brands. But it's a hefty one. Okay, and then I got Ceremonia. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Free of silicones, parabens, sulfates, some artificial colorants, cruelty-free formula. What is it? We don't know. We still don't know. Weightless hydration conditioner. So that's what this is, a conditioner. Yeah, it's a conditioner. That's what it smells like. See what it smells like. Smells good. Couldn't tell you what it smells like, but it smells good. So there's that, and that's what it looks like. So we'll throw that trash on the floor. And this one is chaos in it. As you can see, it's just total chaos. Something, and I'm assuming it's this thing, because it's not even secured. What a mess. What a mess. It's everywhere. This is Naturally Drenched Rebalance Pre-Conditioner Hair Treatment. And it's everywhere. Smells like it's got menthol in it. Put that on my legs. Whatever. Good Lord, it's all in this bag. Good thing this socks were in a... This is a pair of socks, and it's a good thing they were in a separate thing, or they would have been ruined too. And they still might be before I can get them out. God, what a mess. Usually FabFitFun Day is the happiest day of my season. And these are happy socks. And they're kind of like an argyle type. Jeez. And then we got this, whatever it may be. Gosh. This is Fenty Skin. Cherry. I can't read it. We'll try this. Gosh. Ah, jeez. Cherry Dub. Can't read it. I guess I'll read it later when I can get it completely cleaned off because I can't read it. It's got all that glue on it. Jeez. Oh, and if you were wondering what the number was on that, it was that. Then I got one more. Yeah, usually FabFitFun Day is my favorite day of the whole quarter. And I'll be honest with you, this is the worst I've ever had. Worst mess I've ever had. I didn't get one item. I got goo all over something else, everything else. Okay, this one I got Verb Hydrate Mask. And it's for dry and frizzy hair. Verb is a good brand. And I like Verb. Then I got Kitsch, these mini clips. And then I got Summer and Rose Hanging Mirror. Let's see what it looks like. Let's just see what it looks like. That's cute. That looked cute in my living room with my little stuffs. So I gotta put it up high enough the kids can't get to it, or Lord have mercy. But yeah, I like that. And I will say, I love these mystery boxes, because if there's something before that you missed that you really wish you'd have gotten, sometimes you'll get them this way, and sometimes you get something that's totally different. But I do like the mirror, and I know where I'm going to hang it. I'm going to hang it above my air conditioner. So there's that. So if you like what you see here, hey, honestly, this is the biggest mess I've ever gotten. But come on back, like, subscribe to the YouTube stuff. Old people need love too. Bye.